Okay, sorry, the internet went down for a sec. We're going to jump right back into it. I'm going to share my screen. So we're now back to the On-Demand Learning Center homepage. Remember, we just created that node of content. Here it is. It has adjusted our results to 16. And that is the end of how to create nodes of content and make sure that they display here. I'd like to show you how to ensure that these nodes of content are surfaceable in site-wide search as well. So you can see this is one view of content. The test webinar 2 has this card structure for the On-Demand Learning Center. If I click on it, this is the detail page for this node of content. And then let's say that I am on another part of the site and I just know the name of the video that I'm looking for. I put it in site-wide search and it comes up. And you can see that the card view here is slightly different. You've got the Add or Edit Playlist button. The height is responsive, so you can fit more on the site-wide search. And the On-Demand Learning Center content mingles nicely with the rest of the content on the site. If I want to get back to the On-Demand Learning Center, there are a few things to flag. So we tried to accommodate for a bunch of different types of content as we thought it could potentially display in the On-Demand Learning Center, meaning what would the title be, what would the topic tags be, etc. You can see in some of these that we're really pushing the limits of what on the On-Demand Learning Center is a restricted card style height. So we wanted to, in line with your expectations, reduce the height of the cards as much as possible, which means that when you're creating content, you really want to be mindful of how long the title is, what the description is that you add. We recommend a short amount of description for the first sentence, which will be automatically pulled in here. And really, if you can limit it to just 2 or 3 tags, depending on how much other content is there, we'll be better off in terms of not having this really constricted card style. We can obviously make these responsive if need be, and there's some creative things that we can do there, but we would just say, especially with the limited subset of content that we're launching with, to be really mindful when you're playing around, especially on the test environment, and get a really good sense of limits for characters and tags. And there will be associated documentation that I'm going to send over with these videos that will have our suggestions for how to structure these things. All right, that is everything. I hope that it is fun and exciting for you all to play around with this system. Please let me know if you have any other questions or would like a personal demo or more information. But otherwise, we look forward to hearing about next steps from you. Bye.